Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to actually use the Bollinger Band strategy for perfect entries and trade reversal strategies. All right, this is actually one of the best strategies you will ever find out there. The Bollinger Band, first of all, is a volatility indicator that tells you when the price of an asset is moving without volatility and when it's actually what? Moving with high volatility. In other words, it is trending. All right, so you can use this strategy to actually what? Figure out perfect entries and know when a trend is about to start, as well as a reversal, because it's going to also show you when the price of an asset is overbought and when the price of an asset is oversold. Do not go anywhere. Stick to the very end of this video, and don't forget our membership into our premium mentorship is currently ongoing with a 50% discount right now. You're going to get the best signals out there with high accuracy and probability setups. All right, cheers guys. Let's proceed. Now, for those of you who are actually new to Bollinger Bands and what they actually represent, like I said, it's a volatility indicator. And you can see it has three bands right here. We can see the first, the yellow band. We can see the second, which is the moving average. And of course, we can see the third, which is the purple band. Now, these three walk hand in hand, all right? The upper band is a standard deviation away from the mean, which is actually the moving average in the middle, represented by the pink line. And the purple line is actually two standard deviation away from the mean, all right, which is the moving average. You can actually set it to 3, but at default setting, most times it is usually set at 2. All right, now here is the setup. When you actually want to trade a Bollinger Band, you must first of all understand that there is actually a particular point where we call the hook of the Bollinger Band. Now, when the hook of the Bollinger Band is actually facing up, both hooks, up and down, this is a clear indication that the price of this asset is about to move towards the direction of the volatility. All right, very, very simple. It's a clear indication that the price of the asset is moving towards the direction of the said volatility. We're actually going to demonstrate that right about now, so it doesn't look like Greek right in front of your face. All right, so it doesn't look like we're saying jargons. We're going to practicalize everything like I always do in my videos. Let's go, guys. Now, this is actually how and what the Bollinger Band looks like. You can see price movement within the bands, right? Good. Now, the hook in question here that I am talking about is this right here and this right here. Now, when both hooks actually go against different directions, whichever part the price is going to, that is the trend that asset is headed. All right, I would reiterate what I just said. You can see the hooks right here, the upper hook and lower hook. If both hooks are facing opposite directions, one is going up and the other is coming down, whichever point or whichever direction the price goes to, that is the trend in which the asset is headed. All right, good. That is what we call the volatility. Now, you would see that before this outburst of price movement towards the upside right here, there was a squeeze, what we call the Bollinger Band squeeze. Now, this squeeze usually happens after a burst. All right, the squeeze usually happens right after a burst, is what we call a consolidation. The price of the asset will consolidate for a period of time. All right, this is due to the fact that buyers have actually bought that asset and sellers have sold, and therefore you have almost equal buyers and sellers present in the market at that particular period of time. All right. So basically, when you have a squeeze right here, you can see the squeeze around this area. When you have a squeeze, it is said that the price is ranging, and most likely it will what? Bust out towards the direction. It could be the upside or it could be the downside. But in this case here, it was actually the upside. All right. So basically, this is what the Bollinger Band stands for. All right. I'm going to show you how to actually plot the Bollinger Band right here on your Binance app and make adequate use of this, and also how to enter a trade, setup. It's actually very, very simple. Now, when you want to enter a trade setup, you must, very important, set your support and resistance on the squeeze of the Bollinger Band. I'm going to explain what that is right now. So guys, to take an entry using the Bollinger Band strategy, you need to plot your own resistance and support just right on the squeeze of the band, okay? The upper squeeze and the lower squeeze. I'm talking about the upper band and the lower band, all right? Plot your resistance, and when the candlestick breaks out of that resistance towards the upside, it is certain that the price of that asset is going towards the uptrend. All right, an uptrend is already setting. And if the price goes down below the support line that you have drawn, it is said that the price of that asset is already on a downtrend. All right, so this is just the basics on how you can use the Bollinger Band. Ensure you put your stop loss to actually risk what you can afford to lose. This is trading. No strategy on here is 101% accurate. All right, you can get 99, you can get 98, but you can't get 100% accuracy, to be very honest. All right, so guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and more indicator setups are going to be coming up very soon for scalpers. We've been doing so much for swing traders lately, and I want to also take time to create videos for scalpers. If you need the mentorship program, I'm sure a lot of you need this. Send a DM into my WhatsApp, all right, into my WhatsApp, and I'm going to reply you ASAP. The link is in the description of this video to actually do that. Cheers guys, and don't forget the Telegram group is active and you can join there. It's free to get updates, and of course, once in a while, get access to freebies and giveaways. Cheers. Ensure you subscribe to this channel. This is MJ Crypto. Love you. Peace out.